Good morning, guys. Been a bit of a hiatus. How are yous? Today, I'm going to dig into a car that's been sitting in the background for a little while. No, it's not the HQ. She's still there, ever so patiently waiting. But if you've seen some of my videos, this one. Poor old drift car that's been sitting for as a bit of a shed ornament for a while. I've had stuff piled up for months and months and months, but it's time to put an ECU back in it. And not other, it was running a Microtech. I was having heaps of issues with that, so decided time to finally bite the bullet and buy something decent. So what other than a Haltech? Oh. Only a little 550 because it's a drift car. Doesn't need nothing fancy. You still run a few things off that. I'll get a wideband module for it as well. But with that, along with that, we should be on the money. Yeah, you'll notice there's no S15 here because that one's gone. Made a trade for another car, and in a future video I'll show you that one too. It's currently off getting some work done to it by 6 Boost, so be interesting to see how that works out. Oh, and if you want a video of these ones, I can happily get them out and have a bit of a play. Got the 8S, 6S, and I've even got some rock crawlers. This one hasn't got the body on at the moment, and I've got a couple other ones. A few little things anyway. And if you want to know where I got the Haltech, or you want to buy one yourself, I'll put a link in the description. Good old Golbies. Alright, digging that out from under there. It's like getting a car in a barn find almost. Now the dust on it. Poor thing. Been sitting here a while anyway. But still got to clean the inside out. Oh look. Another rock crawler. Ah. This car was using the factory ignition system and all that, but this time around I think we're gonna run everything off, well, switches, not these ones obviously because they're all junk. I think on a stay open. That'd be no good, you're trying to drive and but just want to make it a bit more reliable. It's obviously got LS coil packs. I'm thinking about going to the R35 coil conversion. And obviously the old trusty John Deere SR20 with a 2867 turbo pulsar. Made 408 horsepower last time around. So we'll take it back to the dyno after he's all wired up and cop some more abuse for a few more years. And who knows, maybe an LS. Poor car.